Lag spikes in Roblox can disrupt your gaming experience, but there are several steps you can take to reduce them. Follow this guide to improve your gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it is generally more reliable than Wi-Fi. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. Open Roblox and go to the settings menu. Lower the graphics quality to reduce the strain on your device, which can help minimize lag during gameplay. Step 3. Close background applications. Before starting Roblox, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve performance. Step 4. Update your device. Make sure your operating system, graphics drivers, and Roblox client are all up to date. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can help reduce lag. Step 5. Use of performance mode. If your device has a performance mode or game mode, enable it. This mode optimizes system resources for gaming, which can help reduce lag spikes while playing Roblox. By following these steps, you should be able to enjoy a smoother gaming experience on Roblox. Happy gaming!